You know, when we first started, if we could hit, gosh, loading wagons in 1,000 gallons a minute was unbelievable, and now we run 2,000-3,000 gallons a minute. It's just unbelievable how fast things are now. And even the newer light speed, everything's even quicker yet, where you can set your high and low pressures. Things will shut off on their own now. Can't believe how far the industry's come in just 7 or 8 years. You know, the first probably 30 years of draglining hasn't done anything compared to the last 5. Setup takes less. You can do bigger sets. We haven't gone into the 7-inch drags yet, but I'm sure that's probably going to be around the corner. It's just amazing how quick everything is now.